All right, last time we were together, we made the very top and the bottom of our snowman. And if you notice, today I actually have some little holes here. What I want to do when this is finished is I want to be able to tie the three pieces together using yarn. So I took a little funnel like this, and I poked a hole in the top and the bottom of the head, and the top of the bottom piece, and I'll also do the same thing in the center piece of our snowman. But we still have to make that centerpiece of the snowman. So I'm going to move these out of the way, and I'm going to start by doing the same thing I did last time. I'm going to take a piece of clay and flatten it into a slab, and then I'm going to cut out the centerpiece. Okay, now that I've got my pretty even slab of clay here, I can just place my centerpiece on top of it and then trace it and cut it out just like I did last time. I'm going to take my wooden dowel, stick it all the way down to the canvas, and then trace around the cardboard like that. And then I can remove this piece. I got a little bit of marker on there, it looks like, so I'll just flip it over. And then I'm going to decorate this piece to make it look like the center of the snowman. So I'm going to add a little piece at the top for a scarf, and then two little arms as well. Now to make the scarf, I'm going to take my leftover piece here, just rip a piece off, sort of squish it into a tube-like shape, and then roll it into a coil, just like I did for the nose. I'm just going to roll it a little bit. And then I'm going to take this piece and flatten it out. So I'm just going to flatten it a little bit, and it's going to go across here like this so that it sticks off on one side. Now again, I'm going to use a little bit of slip to sort of glue it into place. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this clay water on top and press it on there like this so that it comes off on the edges. I also want to make another piece that comes down here. So I'm going to take another little piece of clay, roll it just a little bit, flatten it out using the palm of my hand, and then I can place this piece coming down this way. But again, each time I attach it, I want to make sure that I have some slip coming on top of here so that they stick together. All right. And then I'm ready for the arms. To make the arms, I'm just going to take a small piece of clay, roll it out just like I did with these. And I don't want these to be too skinny. If they're too skinny, then they could break once they come out. So I'm just going to roll this to be a little bit thicker than what you would expect. I can break it in half, and then I can put the two arms right here, just like before, anywhere where I am attaching it. I'm going to make sure that I have a little bit of that slip water, press it down. Same thing right here. And then the only other thing left to do is to add our little snowman buttons. So again, our dowel has two sides. I'm going to use the side that has more of a rounded end right up here. And then just gently press down right in the middle of the snowman. Now that I have this, I can also then poke my two holes so that I can put it together later on, and then leave it to dry and place it in the kiln.